Today on the Lazy Geckos.
You know what today is, Reese?
Monday.
It's the best day of the week. You ready to eat?
Yes.
Yes?
The kids and I are wrapping up a day without the captain on board.
We are decluttering the boat.
And he'll return just in time.
This is the part that's leaking right here. It's just a split.
We'll be decluttering and fixing that leak. Ready? Let's do it.
We got Bryn, who came in about, I don't know, 30 minutes ago. Reese is waking up. Morning, Reese.
Morning.
How'd you sleep in my bed? Pretty good? You want to see your baby monitor? Okay. Here. Right here. Up here. We're going to have a nice Monday morning. Get the week started off right. You know what today is, Reese?
Monday.
It's the best day of the week. Yay! You gonna clap? Good job. You ready to eat?
Yes.
Yes? You hungry?
We've had about a day and a half without Jeremiah on board. He had to go out of town, but he'll be back soon. This morning we'll have a nice breakfast followed up with some homeschool.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're mad and you know it, clap your hands. All right, we got a little Monday morning school going on.
Yeah.
So you do about an hour of language arts. And then we're going to move on to regular school, which is, we use Florida Virtual School right here for him. And then after that, he'll do a little bit of math that we have him set up with. You read every day. Right now you're reading what?
Investigators.
You love
I read
that
our
book.
books.
Yeah, you've read all of them.
Well,
you want to go
there's
get it?
There's a new book.
You want to go get it so we can show what a 9-year-old boy likes to read? So
This is the newest instead of the new one that's coming out.
yeah, Reese has read basically the whole series so far.
I'm pretty sure there's a lot of them. There's more than 7, I think.
Yeah, there's a lot. He loves them. He does a little bit of reading every single day. We're gonna jump right into social studies, and then we'll probably get you outside for a bike ride after lunch. It's a beautiful day here. Good day for a bike ride with the kids. Daddy is still not back. A little cold today, so there'll be no pool, but we'll get them outside doing something. We are on segment 2, week 5 of social studies. Looks like a pretty easy day.
We often get questions about schooling. Reese has always homeschooled aboard. We use a flexible program, so he's pretty much on his own schedule, which is great for cruising on a sailboat.
I'm back.
Welcome home.
Thank you. You guys did a great job. I just told Reese how proud I am of him for noticing something was wrong. And you did a good job securing it and taking care of the kids. They both were still alive.
Obviously, they are only living because of me.
How was your trip? How was your time without Dad?
It was quiet. It was quiet. Reese and I both.
I'm not sure if this is good or bad. It was relaxing and nice. And
No, we missed you. It was quiet.
I miss you too.
You bring a lot of life to the family. So we definitely missed you. I mean, I was hoping to like get in bed and, have some mommy and daddy time, but now she's here.
Hi.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, it's a heavy door. So, how was your welcome home gift?
When's the last time we spent a night apart? 2 years ago.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Why do you look so angry?
This is my normal face.
Oh my gosh, you have a resting anger face.
I'm also watching all the renters go by and almost hit everybody's boats and stuff. So I'm like this guy, he's texting. His hands aren't on the wheel.
I welcomed you home last night because I missed you so much.
Came in there like hot to trot, man.
It was like he came home late at night, the boat was a disaster, the kids were a disaster, and like that's just how it goes, right? This is marriage, people. Get shoved out of the way.
We are decluttering the boat even more than we wanted to. We're going through everything, getting rid of a ton of stuff, gifting stuff, throwing it out. And we've already found that we are much happier, right?
It's been great. I finally convinced Brittany to throw everything that we don't need off the boat. Seriously, the boat was another inch higher.
We've gotten rid of, I don't know, 4 boxes, right?
Yeah.
It's nice. You go in your closet. It's not all this chaos. You
Yeah,
just
it's nice.
find
Every once in a
something.
while, you gotta get crap off the boat. And the boat's already lighter.
Yeah, emptied out a lot of the nonsense toys and
Getting ready for the Bahamas.
yeah, we're gonna take off. I missed you a lot while you were gone. I wanted to show you how much I missed you last night. 2 glasses of wine and my PJs. I just want to stay in this all day.
Do it.
I woke up this morning and I got a question on Instagram. What makes you feel sexy? And I woke up in this morning and I'm like, I think this outfit makes me feel sexy.
Oh, you look sexy, honey.
Oh.
In the meantime, Jeremiah is getting into the bilge to fix a leak that had sprung while he was away.
I would need you to feed it this way. No pull, you just kind of push.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
The freshwater hose that supplies the water to the toilet had developed a hole, so we need to remove and replace it.
This is the part that's leaking right here. It's just a split. And I've had this happen a couple times with these types of hoses, but it rubs. It's a really tight little corner right there, and it just rubs it, and it cuts it. So it started seeping into the wood, and then it started spraying somewhere. You can see the split right there and all that.
This has happened before as well. What happens is when you put water into the toilet, the pressure causes the hose to twist slightly, eventually rubbing a hole. Unfortunately, the area is pretty small, but he'll try to add some protection for the next hose.
How goes the high noon?
Pretty good. I'm
Good.
drinking from our stash.
Yeah, don't get high on your own supply, honey. We got alcohol.
Yes, we got alcohol. That's kind of like the only thing we got. I guess we can live off alcohol. This time I ordered from a place called Naked Wines just because we had 2 vouchers. We got $100 off each box. So I was like, oh, let's do that.
Nice.
So we got 24 bottles all together.
Let's see a bottle. Oh, I see. Is that white? Is it all red?
It's all red.
Nice.
I'll put those into the boat somewhere. We got cases of beer for Jeremiah. I got all my stuff over here. I was gonna get all high noon, but the guy's like, hey, you know, these are buy one, get one free, so I went with these. I've never tried them. I don't care. It's fine. I'm easy. We're gonna kind of get it in the boat, put everything away. So this is empty. Jeremiah's tools used to be in here, and he's like, hey, honey, could you use that area? And I'm like, well, really, I could, but it would be for your beer, so like, let's prioritize.
Perfect. Yeah, I wanted to get my tools out of there because it was always loud. I was in the way when they were homeschooling and stuff like that, so I ended up putting it outside.
Yeah.
It's been great.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get all that put away. Our food order that we ordered did not work out well. I don't know what happened there. I'll get it all put away, and then we got some other stuff for the dinghy. I'm not completely happy with the way it turned out. It still has spots all over it, so when the sun goes down a little bit, I'm gonna try this.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Provisioning can be a pain. We find it's best to do it in stages. So today was the all-important beer run.
All right, how we looking?
Pretty good. Fully stocked.
That's not full.
What? Look at all this stuff, and we have our whole liquor cabinet.
Look at all that space left.
Yeah, but I'm gonna float like paper towels and toilet paper and tissues and stuff on top.
Okay.
Paper products on top. Trash
So-
bags.
We have 24 bottles of wine. Do you think that's enough?
No. We actually have more than 24. We have 24 bottles of red wine.
Oh, okay.
And then we have about 6 bottles of white wine and 3 bottles of champagne.
All right.
Because every couple weekends you and I like to pop a bottle of champagne. But I think, you know, I don't think it'll last.
It's not gonna last.
Yeah, I mean, you know, we'll be able to stop in the Bahamas and wherever we end up and buy stuff, but this will get us through and we'll just...
Okay, well, this will be good for this week, but
I'm fine.
just kidding.
We only drink on the weekends, kind of.
Right.
Unless it's like something fun going on.
Honey, you're always fun.
Yeah,
So,
I know.
there you have it. Okay, well, let's, you know, I'm going to do a couple things and then we'll fix the trampoline today. Maybe put the sail, the screecher up, and then clean the dinghy.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill and then I'm gonna do the dinghy.
Coming up,
It's coming off. This was the best one, the one that we got today.
we'll get this dinghy looking right.
You're doing a good job.
Chicken fajitas.
And we're doing our last minute tasks before heading to the Bahamas.
Oil changes, some impellers.
The list never ends, but soon we'll be island bound.
My heading is about 20 miles south of West End.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.